But no say they behind me. I could have feel the presence. I test me not true.
That's it.
Yeah?
Shall get more alert.
Good. Bubbles, I can't believe you're going. Hello. I don't run me now. I just a leave for a week. Yeah, but at tonight you tell me. Because I told them I know. I don't know everything you're going to know. You're lucky you never see the house empty and you get a phone call. So, Bubbles, why you have to leave so sudden?
Yo, they're inquisitive, you know.
Bubbles, why you have to leave so sudden? Work assignment, Onion. Work assignment? Like asleep or something? So when you gonna get my assignment?
You better go back to school if you want to do assignment, yeah?
Bubbles, don't leave me here with him. You want me there by myself, please don't make him come here. Just so you know, are you alone are gonna stay here. And I saw it gonna stay. The only person who's supposed to come here and check up on the place and you is Whisper. So get used to it. Okay, boss. But I still not answer my question. When may I get my assignment? Tony, and when I think about it, I make a hasty decision. I don't think you're ready for this yet. What you mean? I tell you this is something I want to do.
Tonya, you know what this entails? You have to know when to talk. And you definitely talk too much. Pray this. Suppose somebody for kidnap you. I want to get some information out of you about whatsoever work we are doing. You would attack. You can't hold them out.
I said he tell me I'm never ready for take on raids. I'ma prove you wrong. I'll beat you up. Remember?
You really believe that this is a ramping shop, not true?
Bubbles, please. Remember me tell us I want the assignment there? And if I feel it, when I ever ask you back again.